Hi my beauty junkies, welcome back to my channel. Colourpop did a thing. So Colourpop came out with a festival collection. It was 24 single pan eyeshadows and 14 satin lips. I didn't grab any of the eyeshadow. I grabbed 8 out of the 14 satin lips because satin lips are life. I love their satin lip formula. I think it's amazing. It is such a great texture. It feels really great on my lips. It doesn't dry my lips out. I love their matte lipsticks as well. Their probably liquid lipsticks are probably my #1 favorite forever. Like, I really love it. A lot of people don't like it, but I like it. I also grabbed 2 things from the Eva Good to Whiskey collection. If you can see, I don't know, it looks like this. She did 2 eyeshadow palettes and a dual face palette called Mermaid Glow and 3 lippies. And that collection actually came out 2 weeks ago, I want to say. And then before that, they came out with another collection because, you know, Colourpop drops collections the way MAC does. Maybe even more frequently. Right now I will show you swatches. I wanted to do lip swatches, but I'm not that great at lip swatches, so I'm just gonna stick with arm swatches for you guys and show you what I got in this little collection here. I thought it was gonna be a bigger haul, but this is what I got and I'm pretty satisfied with it. Colourpop always comes with a little cute card and says, "Let's stick together." I will always stick with you, Colourpop. I hope you can always stick with me. I did one of the Mermaid Glow face duo and one of her blotted lips just because I've never tried a blotted lip from Colourpop. And Colourpop came out packaging. So I got 2 of this because I really loved the packaging. Super cute. It says Mermaid Glow. It's a face duo. If I can open this. This is it. Super cute. I think it's $10. And you get a mirror, and these use the 2 colors. You get a blush and a highlighter. And we shall swatch, because I want to show you something this palette I did not realize had. That is the blush. So this is the highlighter, and I'm obsessed over how pretty these 2 colors are, for the reason they look super summery. Holy moly, do they look summery. Summertime, I'm a makeup hoarder, I know that, we all know this, but summertime I'm not into heavy makeup. 1, it's too damn hot. 2, I'm sweating balls. 3, I melt. So I'm not into makeup that much in the summer as I am with spring, winter, and fall. Summertime I get very lazy and I want light stuff. This would be amazing for summer. You just put blush, maybe a little color, a little highlight, and that's it. My routine for summer I definitely have to show you because it's completely different from what I do spring, winter, and fall. But these are the 2 colors. Freaking gorgeous. They're stunning. The names in the back is Golden Hour and Siren. Clearly this peachy one is Siren and this is Golden Hour. And there we go. It didn't want to show up, sorry. I wanted to show you this as well. I found it weird wiggling. When it started wiggling, one of them wiggled off, but it comes off completely, so it's magnetic as well. How adorable is that? It's cute. You just pop it in there, and I think I scratched it. So here is the blush and the highlighter. Now let me talk about this. We have to talk about this for a second. It comes with a mirror. It's freaking gorgeous. This is summer. Summertime comes and it's hot and it's sweaty. I don't put makeup on summertime. 1, it's too damn hot. 2, I'm sweating balls. And 3, I'm uncomfortable. I melt. It's just, I hate it. It's disgusting. There's makeup running and everywhere. I'm not into like full makeup summertime whatsoever. I just like to be comfortable and look cute. This is light off the back. It is super pretty, super pigmented, but light enough that you can wear this summertime. This is their Mermaid Glow. It's $10 in stock. I would suggest you grab it. I really would suggest. The next one in this collection is my first blotted lip from them, and it is in Party Wave, and I was really excited. The packaging looks like that. I was super happy for this. I'm swatching weird, so don't mind me. How gorgeous is that? It's so light. Look how light that is. That's perfect. That is great. So I heard these are not like satins or like glosses. It's more like a tint. So you put it on your lips and it gives more of a tint. Something like that. That's what I've heard. These are their blotted lips. First time I'm ever trying it. So I don't know how it would be. But definitely I will give my thoughts on my Instagram. So all those links are down below. Go give me a follow on Instagram and you'll see how I feel about it. Now, those are the two things. And now we're going into the 8 satin lips, summer vibes, spring vibes, sorry. I'm excited. I can't. First one I'm just grabbing is She Said. She Said looks like this. It is a satin. So let's get this done. Freaking gorgeous. Oh, I love satins. You have no idea. Beautiful. Next, we're going this fast, guys. The next is Mucho. Oh, gorgeous. Do not mind if you hear my children. Next one is Kismet, and it's a very bright red orange. Oh my god, I pulled out a lot. A lot popped out. Why? Ew, no. Save all this product. Holy moly, a lot just came out. That hurt my feelings. Oh, so pretty. Oh, I love that. I'm just so mad. A lot just popped out of nowhere. Why? Why did a lot pop out? That is Kismet. The next one is Chance. I know it's a purple, guys. It's a purple. I'll see it. Gorgeous. My swatches are disgusting. Do not mind. I was trying to do it nicely, but I'm getting overly excited about these colors, and it's just really bad. Let's go to the next one. Is Canoodle. Canoodle is one of the lightest shades out of all of them, but it's a super pretty color. Freaking gorgeous, guys. If this does not scream spring and summer, I don't know what does. Other than the New York City weather we're getting. It's hot over here. It's crazy. Fortune Favors. Pretty. Oh my goodness. Guys, oh, deliciousness. Next one is Be Okay, and it's more of a corally color. Yes. Yes, for these colors. Jeez, I'm so excited. So excited. And the last color out of this whole collection is Gifted, and it's a little darker and it's so sexy. Guys, it is delicious. Look how delicious that is. How freaking amazing is I'm obsessed with these colors. Seriously, one of my favorite formulas. I promise you, you will not regret it. Their mattes are great too, but the satins are my favorite. I'm telling you, you will buy them and thank me later. Please check them out. I love Colourpop. I'm sure you will too. This is delicious. This is like delicious. I'm super excited for this haul. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe so you can see more of my silliness, and please give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the little bell for any notifications for any new videos. You will know, it will alert you. And I love doing these videos. I do it because it's fun, and it's just good for me. So if you like, I'll link their website down below. Please comment, please like, and I'll see you guys next time, guys. Take care, guys. Bye.